Hi everyone, in this video I will show how to create a Google account or how to create a Gmail account. If you want to create a new Google account or create a new Gmail account, so let's see how to do that. After that, choose and open phone settings, click here. In this I can show how to create a new Google account or create a new Gmail account. So let's see. After that, scroll down. After that, choose and select Google. So click here Google. You can see Google account or Gmail account name. After that, Gmail. So in this here, click on it. After that, choose and select add another account. Click here. You can see create account. So choose create account. You can see for my personal use. After that, for work or my business. So in this I can choose and select your need option. I can choose first option for my personal use. Click here. Google, create a Google account. Enter your name. After that, you can see first name. After that, surname. So in this here, write your Google account or Gmail account or email account first name. After that, write surname. After that, choose next. Click here. So first of all, choose and select birthday day. So in this here, write your birthday day. After that, open month. After that, in this here, write your birthday year. After that, choose and open gender. You can see female, male, rather not say customized. So in this I can choose and select your gender. So in this I can choose male gender. After that, choose next, click here. How you will sign in, create a Gmail address for signing into your Google account. After that, you can see username. So in this here, create your Gmail address or create your Gmail account. After that, choose next, click here. Create a strong password. Create a strong password with a mixture of letters, numbers and symbols. Remember. So you can see password. So in this here, write and create your Gmail account or Google account or email account is strong password. After you can choose next, click here. Review your account info. You can use this email address to sign in later. You can see my new Google account or Gmail account name Fahad Hassan. After that, Gmail account or Gmail address. After that, you can choose next, click on it. After that, scroll down. After that, choose I agree. In this way, you can easily create a Google account or create Gmail account or create email account or create a new Google Play Store account. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.